I'm going through the comments here on my latest video about the 3D printed shop tools. And I've got a comment here from Benzo121975. You could probably make butter with the paint shaker. Well, now we gotta try it. So here is said paint shaker, secured to a modified Sawzall blade. So how do you make butter? You basically just need heavy cream and some time. What if this cuts down on the time? Let me get some heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream, and I've got a mason jar. How much should I fill it up? I'm gonna fill this up, what? Halfway? That way it's got enough room to shake. Oh my gosh, that is unbelievably thick. I can confirm that tastes like heavy whipping cream. This is a glass mason jar. I really do hope this holds. And now I'm really wishing the band went across the middle section here. Oh, the weight of it is definitely loosening. All right, let me grab an Allen key and tighten that up. That's the last thing I want, is for this to loosen up. So I think we're just gonna have to tighten it. That changed sounds. Oh, got loose again. Let's have a look. We are definitely at the whipped cream stage. We got soft peaks now. Looking pretty good. We need to get to the butter stage. Oh, there's that sound again. Getting loose, getting loose. Definitely loosens up. How about up here? That all feels good. Look and see what we've got. It is really thick now. Years ago I made a video said, can you make whipped cream in the shop? We did it on the lathe. This is a lot faster, for the record. Like a lot faster. That's not good sound. Lots of bad sounds. See that? You see how loose that is? Look at that. Look how it's starting to get lodged up in the top there. I guess I've taken it off too many times to check it, because it is definitely starting to foam through the lid a little bit. We've been at this for a good 5 minutes now. That made a weird sound. Can you see that? My mason jar broke. That was the last sound you heard, was the mason jar breaking. I really think we got close. I think we're really close. We definitely got past the whipped cream stage, but I'm not comfortable tasting it now. So can you make butter in the paint shaker? Yeah, it seems like it's a possibility. Is it a good idea? Definitely not a good idea.